Hey everybody, it's Gary here again, coming at you from Factory Outlet Trailers in beautiful southern Alberta. I'm going to profile this 5x8 Big Tex dump trailer. Look at this cute little guy. I tell you what, single axle, it's a 5,200 pound axle. I said it's cute, but it's actually pretty beefy. It's got a 3,500 pound payload. You got an acreage? This might be your trailer. You haul snow off the top of parkades in Calgary, this thing will get around a parkade no problem. It's an excellent application for that. Comes with a tarp, okay? Comes with rear barn doors that open up for you. Like I said earlier, 5,200 pound axle. I tell you a couple things this thing has in common with. The first one is affordability. The second one is versatility. And third, it's sexy. What it doesn't have anything in common with, Valentine's Day. Why? Because Valentine's Day is stupid. Now, I was thinking about what I said earlier about Valentine's Day. Baby, I'm sorry, I was just kidding. Valentine's Day is not stupid, but this is a great trailer.